I find Odin, I think, most disturbing. He's the god of madness and the god of poetry, which I guess those are related.
Yeah.
But in battle, I mean, the Berserkers, probably the most famous type of Viking warriors, were considered to be Odin's chosen warriors. They would show no pain, and they would just run at the enemy and attack with their nails and their teeth.
Hmm.
Even if they could have their arms hacked off, they would still keep going. Like they would attack other Vikings. They were berserk. That's where we get the word from.
What do we understand the mindset that leads to that? I mean, it wasn't religious in nature. There's not this kind of ideology. It's just a way of life, and then prized honor and intensity in battle.
Yeah, I mean, one of Odin's names is the Raven Feeder. I mean, by creating corpses which ravens feed on, you're doing the work of Odin.